I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lenora. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Oh. Blow it.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. My name is Tyra, and welcome to Marine Home Expressions. I hope you guys enjoyed the intro for this video today. I thought it was so cute, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And we're also going to be doing a speed clean with me. So I hope you guys will stick around and watch that. And yeah, so it's basically just going to be me cleaning up the decorations in the living room and getting it back to the way that I like it. Also, in the description box, we're going to go ahead and link all the items for the birthday party if you're interested in buying those for your little one. And yeah, I'll check back in once it gets halfway through to the cleaning portion, and we'll go ahead and close out the video from there. So thanks so much, you guys, for stopping in today, and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, hello everyone. I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed this Speed with Me Baby Shark edition. I hope it was inspiring to you guys to get motivated in your home and get some things done. Also, I just wanted to remind you guys again that the items for the birthday party decorations will be linked in the description box below. So make sure you check that out if you're interested. Again, I just want to thank you guys so much for stopping in and spending time with me today. I don't take it for granted when you guys stop here, and spend time with me. I know everyone has a busy schedule, and I hope you guys are having a great rest of your week. I know this video is getting out later than the others prior to this one, but I've been working on my voiceovers and I think we finally have the sound together, so I'm really excited about that, and I hope you guys notice that it sounds a lot better than it has before. Again, also in the intro, I just wanted to say that I was going to take out us singing happy birthday, because when it got to her name, we were saying everything, nicknames, birth names, everything. But I'm so glad I decided to leave it in there. It just added to the specialness of the day, us being family together, and that's what we're all about here on Marine Home Expressions. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a pan of the room with everything cleaned up and out of the way. And as always, guys, remember to create a beautiful life and live well. And we'll see you again on the next one. Thanks so much for stopping in. Have a good one. Oh, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye.